welcome to Gluten-Free Friday. We are making some holiday drinks today.
We are.
I'm gonna make a Christmas cocktail. Alyssa, this is Alyssa. I'm Angela, by the way.
Hello.
She's gonna be making a holiday cocktail, and we hope you guys all enjoy. Maybe try this at home. I think I'll start first.
Sure.
I'm making, they call it the Grinch. It is a play on like an Aperol Spritz using melon liqueur. So I'm gonna get right to it.
Yeah. What's in your glass already?
I have ice and I have some glitter because, you know, we're festive around here. Okay.
Glitter?
What? Edible glitter and gluten-free. Don't you worry. Okay, so we are starting with 2 ounces
You mean the Grinch color?
of our melon liqueur. What is this, Midori? I don't know if you guys are all familiar. I just heard of this when I found this drink, so.
Living under a rock.
Yeah, apparently. Well, ooh, hello. Don't worry, guys.
That's kind of wicked.
Ooh.
That's true.
Elphaba.
So 2 ounces of the Midori, and then we have 3 ounces of Prosecco.
Watch the bubbles.
I know. I'm making a mess already, guys.
Where did you find this recipe?
I just found it scrolling through like Instagram, as we all do. You know what I mean? It's how all good ideas get made.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you top it with, I already filled it with ice. I already put the glitter in. And then we top it with a little bit of club soda. Look at that, guys.
It's got the Grinch color.
Yep, it's a Grinchy vibe. And then, hang on, the kicker, I'll be back.
These are so cute.
Garnish.
You didn't do the heart?
Nope. I did Boozy Candied Cranberries. Yes, I will include the recipe. It's very easy.
Are they frozen?
Yes, they are frozen. And a little bit of mint and a little bit of orange liqueur.
Ooh.
And there you go. There is the Grinch for the holiday season. And then I'm actually really interested to see what you
Made?
have in store. Yeah.
Sure. We'll take spots.
Okay, cool.
Awesome. So I will be making a Noel 75. So it's like a Noel and a French 75 put together. So we will start with a bigger measuring cup and a funnel on the side, and we will measure out our non-sparkling wine ingredients. We're measuring out 2 ounces of a dry gin. You want to avoid something that's overly, herbally for this. The dry
We
is
have not
best.
been taste testing, I swear. Also, what's the difference? Like, what is a dry gin? Like, is it specific?
So you know, like when you have like a Hendrix and it's really like floral and cucumbery and like flower-like, you don't want it in that. So dry is going to be that like burny alcohol feeling, if you will. There's
okay.
probably a much better explanation for that, but
We want the birdie alcohol
yeah,
flavor.
you don't want all the floral components. Then we will do 2.5 ounces of cranberry juice. Also a measure with your heart situation.
That's how I like to measure my things, with my heart. That's why it goes all over the place.
I know. Why am I spilling? Okay. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And I made simple syrup, which is really just 1 part sugar, 1 part water brought to a boil, and added in some rosemary sprigs to give it some rosemary flavor. Just about 1/2 ounce of that. If you like it a little sweeter, you can add more, but I think the juice gives it enough sweetness here.
Ooh, that looks really good.
Okay. Then we are going to take our Christmas ornaments and a funnel.
Is this an Amazon plug that we should do?
It is, yes. Would you hold this for me?
Yes, I will.
And we're gonna get all of this right in our Christmas ornament.
Perfect.
I'll give you the top for that. Where's the cup? And then in the glass, I've already put some gluten-free glitter in there that is edible. And
Hers
again,
is a lot prettier than mine. I'm kind of upset about this.
I like yours. And then again, measure
Thank
with
you,
your
Alyssa.
heart on that Prosecco. And let the fizz come down. And then you can throw a little rosemary sprig in there just to give it some good flavor. I always give it a smack so you bring out that scent. And you can prep this before guests come over and just have them sitting and waiting.
Wowee. Okay, all right. So I got my, the competition is real, guys. Okay, guys, so we've completed our drinks. Again, I made the Grinch. It's got melon liqueur, Prosecco, pretty simple, made a pretty garnish. You did
A Noel 75 with gin, Prosecco, and cranberry juice.
And this is a competition, so hopefully everybody's rooting for me. But we do have some judges coming in. They're gonna taste it, and they're gonna let us know who is gonna be crowned the winner.
Ooh, should we do a little cheers before that?
Let's do it.
Hold on, I have to open my ornament
Oh,
first.
she's fancy, guys.
This also lets you dial up or down the fruity in the drink too.
Oh, nice.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That is good.
Refreshing. Very
Cheers.
refreshing.
How do I do this?
Oh,
That's good
yeah. That's
Guys,
okay.
this is gonna be tough. It's gonna be
All
tough.
right. So we're gonna bring in the judges. We'll see what they say.
Hello, everybody. We are the judges.
Yes, we're gonna be judging the holiday drinkies.
We came all the way from Santa's workshop.
Yeah.
We took the day off. Oh, it's been so busy, but we made it here just in time for our holiday cocktail off.
Yeah. What do we want to start with the Grinch?
We're gonna start off with the green drink
Okay.
spritz. The Grinch Spritz.
The Grink, as I call it. The Grink.
This looks so good.
ASMR.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, wait, we have to cheers also.
Oh yeah, we do.
Everyone cheers.
Cheers.
We're also all 21.
Yeah, don't worry, guys.
We're over.
Just so everyone knows.
I know we might look younger.
I know we're
though.
elves, but
Yeah.
okay, taste this.
That is sweet.
Also,
Yes.
I'm trying a
Oh, the boozy cranberry.
the
Oh, I
boozy.
want, yeah.
Cheer.
Oh,
I went for it.
I love these things. So good.
Ooh.
crack.
We're gonna need the recipe for that.
go.
We're linking that below. That is delicious. It's light, it's sweet. If you like a sweet drink,
I feel like an Aperol Spritz.
if you like an Aperol Spritz,
And I love one, and I know you love one.
I do.
You said, and I know you love one too. That was funny.
Wow.
That was
This,
yum.
this is holiday cheer in a cup. Listen, we have no Grinch bringing our Christmas spirit down today. This is
No Grinches.
this is Grinch at the end of the movie.
No Grinch.
I
Okay.
like that. Okay.
Now, for the second drink, we have a Noel 75, right? Okay. And she's gorgeous. She's looking like a snow globe.
Yeah.
You gotta pour your little ornament.
I will say I don't know what a Noel is and I don't know what a French 75 is, but I like the sound of this.
I know, it sounds so like classy.
This is so fun.
I don't know if I've ever had a French 75. I've heard of it though. Gorge.
I hit my mic.
I love the glitter in both of these.
I was like, can they see the glitter? Okay.
Oh, it looks like a snow globe. Ah! Oh, I would drink it out of this. I would.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful.
Oh, drink it out of the snow globe.
This is
Or out
so
of the little ornament. Okay.
the ornament. That's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, are we not
Okay.
putting the straw in it?
We
Sorry,
can do a
guys.
straw.
I don't know.
Alyssa
I'm
did
doing
say
straw.
with a sparkling wine, no ice. The spritz, I think it's its own separate law for that, but this is classic. So,
I'm doing a straw. Okay, wait.
oh,
Cheers.
sorry.
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, eye contact when you cheers?
Wow.
Oh.
That is
I can taste the syrup. It's yummy.
that is delicious.
Ooh.
The rosemary is not overpowering.
Yeah.
No, I like the syrup. I'm gonna have to steal that.
Yeah.
I'm
I
gonna
like
steal
how
that.
you said you can also choose your sweetness with how much of the cranberry you want to put in. I love
yummy.
a sweet. So this, but it's not overly sweet, I will say.
No, it's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, I like the perfect amount of sweetness, and that's really good.
Can you taste the syrup, the rosemary syrup? I
Yeah,
think yummy.
it's just like I said, it's not over the top. It's just a subtle hint.
All right.
Wow. That's delicious.
Now,
Okay.
we need to come together as
Yeah,
as
we need to
judges
do a
and
little
pick,
huddle.
and pick someone. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Yeah, ready?
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
Okay, wait.
Sorry, guys.
Okay,
Okay.
we've come to our decision after.
Much deliberation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was a tough one.
yeah, it was a tough one.
Okay, we're gonna bring back our chefs, our
Bartenders, yeah.
our baristas.
Yes.
Come on.
Wait, no, we're gonna cut to it. We're gonna cut to it.
We're gonna cut to it. Okay.
Our mixologists are gonna come back, and we're going to crown the 2025 holiday drink off
2024.
champion. Oh. We're gonna bring back the 2024. I'm already getting excited for the new
Yeah,
year.
you are.
The 2024 holiday cheermeister mocked.
Oh my god.
You say it.
You just have to start it over.
Okay.
You go. Okay, ready?
Okay, we're going
we're
to
going.
crown our 2024 cocktail holiday drink off.
Champion!
Yay! Okay, we'll be right back.
Okay.
Or should we like Miss America and like hold hands? And...
Oh yeah,
That'd be silly.
Close eyes.
Okay. And then. I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
I'm nervous. Congratulations!
Thank you.
I'm Miss Congeniality, don't worry.
You're always a winner to me.
Cheers. Yes, actually, our November-December issue is out now. You can get it at your Sprouts, your Whole Foods, Barnes & Nobles, your local grocery store. And if you aren't a subscriber to our magazine, if you go to glutenfreemore.com and subscribe, you will be in time to get our March, April, spring edition. So, and also it's a great gift. So think about your people. If you wanna give them the gift of gluten-free
In the new year.
do it. Let's do it. Cheers. Happy holidays.